Hello and welcome to the RocwooD YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at a RocwooD pressure washer with a detergent tank. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Unboxing the pressure washer, it shows the picture of the product on the front as well as the SKU on it as well. The pressure is 35 kilograms. This pressure washer can handle tough cleaning jobs with ease. It is equipped with a 4-stroke OHV 210cc engine that produces an impressive 3,950 psi. The pressure washer is packed with foam to make sure it doesn't get damaged while shipping. This pressure washer is designed to be user-friendly. It comes with an electric start feature that makes it easy to operate. Here is everything that comes with the pressure washer. It comes with a filter hose, a 12-meter hose, spray gun and lance, as well as the pressure washer base, 2 wheels, screws, axles, screwdriver, along with a handle. Now to the assembly. We'll start with putting the axles onto the wheels. The axles just slide through the hole in the wheel, and along with the washer is put onto the back of it. These are 8-inch wheels and they're nice and sturdy. In addition, to attach the wheel onto the pressure washer, we push the screw through the axle and it is secure. This RocwooD pressure washer is built to last and it's equipped with a commercial grade crankshaft and camshaft. It also features our new upgraded pump as well. Now to the handle. We've detached the part that holds onto the pressure washer nozzles to connect it to the handle. The hooks are also on there to be able to hold the lance along with the wire. In addition, the pressure washer also comes with a little wire to be able to poke through the nozzles to make sure they are clear. The pressure washer also comes with 5 quick connect nozzles, each with a specialised function. The 0% high pressure, which is red. The water stream's discharge is very aggressive, used with extreme caution to prevent damage on the surface being cleaned or injury to people and animals. 15%, which is high pressure, which is yellow. This is the nozzle used for most cleaning applications. It provides wide, narrow, and a powerful water stream. 25 degrees is high pressure green. This nozzle is used for cleaning with medium coverage with a powerful water stream. 40 degrees, which is high pressure, which is white. This nozzle is used for cleaning with wide coverage over a large area with a powerful water stream. And finally we have the black one, which is the detergent nozzle. It's used when you want to apply detergent to what you're cleaning. We now connect the handle to the pressure washer by using these bolts. A spanner set is also provided to make sure these bolts are nice and tight. The detergent tank is located at the front. It features a chemical hose that is automatically put in when the pressure washer arrives. All you have to do is to put the detergent into the top and it will suck it up for you. It also comes with a filter hose along with a filter that goes on the end of it. Here's where it connects. To get the electric start system working on the pressure washer, we have to connect the wires onto the back to the battery. Red wire goes to the red port, and the black wire goes to the black port. Additionally, some small screws are provided to make sure the wires do not come out of their slots. This pressure washer can have a water supply from outside tap, or it can draw water from other ways such as a bucket, pond, or water butt. The pressure washer also comes with backup recoil start, and alongside it is also the electric start. If we turn the key to the middle, it will start the motor, and then if we turn it to the centre, we'll be able to run normally. In addition, it also has different throttle control, whether you want it being fast or slow. Next, we've attached the spray gun to the lance. Please keep in mind these are often very stiff, so please be patient when screwing it together. Furthermore, you then have the choice to be able to pick which spray nozzle you want on the end. Just pull back the head of the lance and then put the nozzle in. The 10-meter hose just screws into the back of the spray gun after that. The 10-meter hose can sit on the left side of the pressure washer, and the spray gun and lance can sit on the right. There's also a little loop to be able to hold the spray gun. Here are the specifications for the pressure washer. The SKU is RWHPPW5ES. The continuous rated pressure is 3000 psi. The maximum pressure is 3950 psi or 272 bar. The horsepower is 8 horsepower. The engine type is a lead acid battery and petrol engine. The engine displacement is 196 cc. The maximum flow rate is 11 litres per minute. The starting system is electric start and rear coil start. The power source is petrol. The tank capacity is 3.1 litres. And the warranty is a 12-month domestic user warranty. Business or continuous use will invalidate this warranty. Thank you for watching the YouTube video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.